Hello beautiful people, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be making chicken chow mein with veggies. For that I'll need carrots, raw papaya, potatoes, beans and lastly the baby corn. As you can see, I have cut all the veggies in the same shape because it maintains the balance of flavors. You are free to add more veggies according to your taste, but I prefer these veggies with the chow mein. Now I will add green and yellow capsicum and cabbage. To boil the veggies, I have set boiling water and I have added salt in it as per my taste. You can add salt as per your taste and then boil the veggies properly. It's not necessary to boil the vegetables separately. We can mix them and boil them so that they can boil equally. After straining the vegetables, we will keep this aside and then prepare other ingredients for the chow mein. Again, for boiling the chow mein, I have set warm water in the stove and adding salt according to my taste. And then I'll also add a bit of oil so that they don't stick together. In the middle of boiling, we will stir them properly so that the chow mein doesn't stick together. After straining the chow mein, I will keep this aside and move to other ingredients to proceed. Now for the preparation of the chicken, we will need chicken and then I'll add salt, black pepper, a teaspoon of soy sauce, and few drops of lemon juice. And lastly, we will add 2 teaspoons of corn flour. After mixing the chicken and the spices properly, we will keep this aside for 5 minutes. I always make a special sauce for our chow mein. For that, we will need 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of chili sauce, and 1 tablespoon of tomato ketchup. Now I'll add half teaspoon of black pepper, 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise, half teaspoon of red chili powder, a big pinch of chili flakes, and 1 tablespoon of sugar. So now we will mix the sauce properly and then proceed to the main process. Now I am adding 2 eggs and then scramble them. You can add more eggs instead of 2. At this point, I'll add salt according to my taste and then black pepper. So I will add chopped garlic now and then saute them for 1 to 2 minutes. After making them a bit golden brown, I will add the chicken. not forget to add the special sauce in the chow mein. As you can see, it was quite difficult to mix the chow mein and the veggies with a single spatula. That's why I'm using two, so that it makes easier to mix. Lastly, I will add capsicum so that it maintains the crunchiness in the chow mein. So here is the final look, and serve it with love and feed your loved ones. At this point, the aroma is coming so well. I'm sure that you will make this frequently on your special days. Our chicken chow mein with healthy veggies is ready to eat. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe for more amazing videos. I'll see you next time with another amazing video. Till then, take care and stay happy. Thank you so much for watching this video. Bye bye.